So some exercises you can do to help you get some muscle memory for drawing is to repeat an object over and over again. If we do the basic shapes, that really helps, as well as lines and just kind of organic blobs. So one nice thing, and we'll see this in a few other videos, is how to utilize your whole entire body in drawing. Okay, a lot of times when people draw a circle, they're gonna like try so hard to make it perfect, and they're gonna try to go so slow and hold the pen, and it looks like that. Yuck. So using that idea of gesture is to kind of feel the circle, right? It's a lot more circly than the other one. So I really was using my whole arm, my elbows, my shoulders, okay? I was just allowing that circle to be what it is best at being, is a circle. And you know, I could refine this, but again, we are sketching. We are just trying to learn ways to get stuff on paper and to find the lines, okay? So that's what I'd like you to do, is practice doing multiple shapes. And that goes even, almost more importantly, let's go ahead and use this, okay? Using my whole arm. That makes it nice flowy shapes. Have a little bit of shade here. Cross hatching. Almost looks like a form. Okay. Same thing with lines. See my whole entire arm moving? It's not me doing this. Flicking the wrist. No. Use the whole arm. Have fun with it. Just practice. Okay, so now we're going to try to put a few of these techniques together. Remember the artifact from a little bit ago? Here's my lamp. I'm going to try to draw it. Plain and simple, I'm going to observe it. I'm going to try to be free about finding the lines, okay? I'm going to look for basic elements, like, look at that, rectangles, right? Ellipses, circles change to ellipses, okay? I'm going to try to stack shapes up. I'm going to mess up. I'm just going to try to find the line. So there's a few tricks to help you feel a little more comfortable with drawing. There's gesture drawings, there's contour line drawings, using shapes and forms and your whole entire body to get into the drawing all help just to kind of free yourself from the idea that everything has to be this perfect outline drawing of something. We are here to learn to see, to observe, and to understand the objects that we are replicating, and we are trying to materialize in some way what is in our head as well. So the only way to really get good is to practice, 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 practice. I like it that this is not perfect. I know it's not. It's okay. It's just a drawing. Just a drawing.